Hey all, Nikos here again. I want to share with you quickly a trade, a members trade. This is David from Iceland. Wow, sounds cold. He took the trade on the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, and he gets the title of the trader of this week, not just because of the profits or 250 points profit, but I like the whole combination. First of all, you cannot see this on this chart on the 4-hourly. We have major support down here. And so he ended after trend line break, a volatility line break, and the first higher lows you saw. So he didn't actually get in here, but he took the trade after he saw the second higher low after the trend line in the bounce on the 36 by placing an order over that 36. Okay, with a stop account protection order down here. And he trailed that stop. He created a win-win scenario quickly after price reached about 1.5, 2 times his account protection order somewhere here. He told me in his email, I don't have it here on the chart for you to see. So somewhere here, he took the profits, 2 parts out of 3. And he left one position running and just trailed the stop below, not exactly the 36, but every time the price created another 1, 2, 3 and the 2 to 3 line break, he started trailing his account protection order a little bit higher and higher and higher. So at this point, it reached the account protection order was somewhere here. So really powerful trade. But then on a Friday, he saw that big move. That was his email showing me also the chart, and he asked me like, should I close? He didn't know what to do exactly here. Makes sense if you see this. And because the pair lost steam, he decided before the close, before Friday, to actually close the pair, the trade somewhere here with 250 points profits. So that was great. It didn't actually reach his main goal. It will probably go there, but that's not the point. What I like about this is we had a powerful resistance line in this area. So he had the patience to actually wait for the price and see if it would break this line. And the important part was that somewhere here was the major trend line, right? The weekly and daily resistance line. So what gave him strength to stay in? It was the fact the price always created little higher lows, no higher highs at this point, but higher lows, and said, okay, there's a lot of pressure, I just wait, maybe I get lucky. And that's the way to do it. If you know what you're looking for, higher highs and higher lows at major resistance is an important part. And of course, when you create a win-win scenario, that means you take out 2 parts out of 3 and you cannot lose anymore because you trailed also your account protection order or stop closer to price. Even if you get stopped out in this or this area, you still take great profits. So that gave him the strength to stay in and closed it with another almost, I don't know, 100 points more. So well done, David. Trader of the week. There's another one. I just didn't receive the charts yet, so I'll probably post this in a different day. Enjoy trading. Catch up with you soon, and bye for now.